Oh, I can't do that anymore.
Come on, you were asking me to pretend I was
Keep it going, your cousin birthday.
Rachel. I said Rachel.
Oh, Rachel. I was like, Angela.
What is that?
That's just a kind of ice cream with some ice cream cones below to go.
Oh, okay, great.
Ice
Can I
cream
have everyone's attention, please? It's Angela's birthday.
Rachel.
Now look what you did. If you could help me sing, I'd really appreciate it. You ready?